population consists of vast diversity of habitat favorable for variety of flora and fauna. The entire organism has a crucial role in ecosystem services and regulation. All of the organism as well as abiotic component must link together to form a balanced ecosystem. Our tropical rainforests are a unique natural heritage which has evolved over 113 million years.
In 2001, Malaysia consists of 60.8% forest cover. However, this value decreases to 56.4% in 2011. The primary factor that causes the decline of our forest cover is habitat fragmentation.
Habitat fragmentation is usually defined as a landscape-scale process involving both habitat loss and the breaking apart of habitat. Causes of habitat fragmentations: urbanizations, such as roads constructions, housing developments, infrastructure and facilities constructions; agriculture, aquaculture, logging, natural process such as flood and forest fire.
Each area may affect the organism in forest fragment and cause change in biotic and abiotic organism. It may reduce the abundance and distribution of a species.
A healthy forest will be large enough to support the organism within its range. The reduction of this area will give a direct impact to a certain species since they play a vital role in a population and maintain the integrity in the ecosystem.
Habitat destruction has driven many animal populations into remnant patches of varying size and isolation. Increase in isolation of habitats may lead to inbreeding, which can cause genetic abnormalities and weaknesses.
Human-wildlife conflict can be various. For example, this elephant has been poisoned by farmer because he attacking their farm, and the second one is this pregnant tiger has been hit by a car while crossing the road.
Introduce new species for agricultural purpose that may cause loss of species.
So, how we can have a viable population in the next century? The loss of our wildlife is now at an alarming rate. Some of them are even at the brink of the extinction. As some species are very important to our ecosystem, several steps must be taken to get a viable population in the next century. Increase in conservation action, strengthen wildlife management plan, and perform sustainable development are three important steps that we can use to help maintain our wildlife population.
Increase conservation action. Educate public about wildlife status by introducing bioliteracy and experience-based learning. A better understanding of protective role of nature and biodiversity will ultimately benefit conservation effort. Next, by conserving charismatic or keystone species, we can help to protect other species too. Strengthen wildlife management plans. Conservation manager should increase connectivity in fragmented escape, such as creating habitat corridor and increase the buffer zone. Lawsuits may need to be updated and strong action must be taken for criminals who violate the laws. For example, Wildlife Conservation Act 2010 should tightening of licensing and permit law. Environmental impact assessment should be taken before any project or development is proposed.
Perform sustainable development. Sustainable development includes economic, biodiversity, and social aspects. Those three elements are related to each other and must have good connection between them to maintain and achieve stable ecosystem function. Thus, it is important for us to ensure the balance of those three elements. For example, green space, efficient water fixtures, crop rotations, and also solar energy. In conclusion, it is important for us to take actions to ensure viable populations in the next century. great conservation actions, strong wildlife management plans, and good sustainable developments are three important aspects that need to be highlighted. So, the best way to predict our future is to create it.